The 2016 Ford Explorer. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Ford infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear reading lights, speed-sensitive wipers, a power seat, heated door mirrors, and a split-folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 12 speakers, ensuring optimal sound no matter where you're seated. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, traction control, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.